So let's continue this. It is very small, so they can easily cross the blood vessels and the placenta. And they're responsible for humoral immunity. What is humoral immunity, children?
Don't know.
Anybody knows what is humoral? देखो बेटा, ह्यूमर्स बॉडी के किन चीजों को ह्यूमर्स कहते हैं? HUMORS. दिस इज अ बायोलॉजिकल वर्ड, ह्यूमर्स.
Ma'am, these body are found in blood.
हाँ, they are found in blood. They can easily cross the blood vessels, means they can enter the blood vessels. I'm saying they're responsible for humoral immunity. Understand this word humoral. I've written it in capitals for you. Look at this word humoral, comes from the word humor, HUMOR. Humor in biology means body fluid. What does the word humor mean?
Body fluid.
Yes.
Body flowing.
So they are basically found in the body fluid.
Body
so this
fluid.
is the immunity. हाँ बेटा, basically macromolecules के through होता है ये. It could be proteins or peptides. Basically, this is the one which is responsible for immunity in body fluids. Clear? So, humoral immunity. What is this word? Humoral. It comes from the word humor, HUMOR. And the word humor means what?
Body fluid.
Body
Body
fluid.
fluid.
Very quickly, we'll move on to the second type. फिर इसके बाद हम compare करेंगे बेटा. IgA. Which is the second one? IgA. First one कौन सी थी बेटा?
IgG.
IgG.
IgG or second one? IgA. Second one.
IgG was single unit. ठीक है? It can be single unit or it can be dimer also. Dimer मतलब how many antibodies together?
2.
2 antibodies.
2.
IgG का एक ही एंटीबॉडी मॉलिक्यूल होता है. IgA में 2 एंटीबॉडीज मॉलिक्यूल भी हो सकते हैं. I'm not saying always a dimer. It may be a single unit or it may be a dimer. When I say dimer, I mean how many antibodies? Quickly, children.
2 antibodies.
2 antibodies. See, can you see this Y-shaped structure? This is one antibody. This side, this is another antibody. If you see, I have written 2 antibodies joined by, what is this? J-shaped polymer. Here you have an attachment, J-shaped polymer. So this and these, they will attach by a J-shaped polymer over here. Basically, we have to only remember that IgA can be single unit, सिर्फ अकेला इतना हो सकता है, or it could be a dimer. When I say dimer in antibodies, it means 2 antibody molecules joined by J-shaped polymers. Molecular weight is 160,000. अभी comparison करेंगे. They are present in body secretions like saliva, tears, and sweat. You will basically find them in body secretions. They were found in body fluids. You remember पहले वाला IgG? They were present where?
Body fluid. Blood.
Body fluids. And they are found in body secretions. If I say body secretions, give me 3 examples of body secretions you mentioned.
Saliva, tears, sweat.
Saliva, tears, and sweat. After I complete this, then we'll do a bit of comparison. This is what I want everybody to do, a bit of comparison also. See, the colostrum is rich in IgA. Everybody knows what is colostrum?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Very good. You know, if you don't know, then whoever knows, tell. हो सकता है कोई ऐसे हो जिनको नहीं पता, but didn't want to ask also. Yes, everybody knows for sure.
बता दीजिए क्या होता है.
Yes,
ma'am.
अरे मैम, जो मिल्क निकलता है सबसे पहले, जो प्रोटीन रिच होता है.
Exactly. First form of milk produced by the mammary glands. So this is rich in which antibodies? Colostrum? IgG or IgA? This prevents antigens of foreign substances from entering the human body, and the heavy chain is of alpha type. Heavy chain is of which type here? Alpha type.
Alpha.
फटाफट एक डिफरेंस देख ले जल्दी से. पहले वाला तो सिंगल बॉडी था. You remember it was a single unit. IgG
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
IgG was what? Single unit. Remember? ये molecular weight 150 था, लेकिन main important chain, heavy chain कौन सी थी?
Gamma.
There are lot of MCQs possible. एक comparison कर लेंगे कल क्लास में, एक टेबल बना लेंगे. So they're small, they can easily cross the blood vessels, and they were responsible for which immunity?
Humoral immunity.
That means body fluid immunity. Then we come to IgA. This could be single unit or this could be dimer. When I say dimer, I mean how many antibody molecules?
तो
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत लैग कर रही है, समझ में नहीं आया मुझे कुछ।
अरे मैम नहीं कर रही है।
बेटा आपकी तरफ नेटवर्क की कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी। अभी प्लीज कांटेक्ट एयरटेल पीपल। ओके, फिर से प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हो गया। पहले भी केस में फिर ठीक हो गया था बीच में। Molecular weight is 160,000 children. Others, my voice is not clear for you people.
150 other
मैम सही तो
150 जी।
Clear or not? I'm asking others, other than Abhirup.
मैम
मैम सही है मैम
It's
जहर
clear.
क्लियर।
Then that means Abhirup, you have to get your connection checked. See, the first one was present in body fluids, and this one is present in body secretions. See, this is again an MCQ question, very important. Colostrum is rich in which antibodies? Which type of antibodies?
IgA.
IgA. This prevents the foreign substances from entering. Heavy chain is of which type, children?
अल्फा
Alpha type, gamma type.
So when you draw a comparative table, you will write type of antibody, molecular weight, heavy chain, and present. Where is it present? पहला वाला body fluid, second वाला body secretions. चलिए, let's move on to the third one. Gaming का M part
मैम ये
आ गया।
मुझे स्ट्रक्चर समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा इसमें ज्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाना, आप ध्यान से देखो। एक ये वाई शेप स्ट्रक्चर है, एक ये एंटीबॉडी है और
मैम
एक
वो
ये
लाइट, मैम वो जो लाइट चेन है वो उसके अंदर है।
बेटा इसको बहुत रफली बनाया है, इसको मत देखो आप। ये वाला जो स्ट्रक्चर है ये देखो ऐसे, और ये जो आपका वाई शेप स्ट्रक्चर हमने ऊपर किया था, सेम वाई शेप स्ट्रक्चर को बना लेना, बट यू ड्रॉ इट इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर। हाँ ठीक है। वी आर कमिंग टू, एक बार डिटेल में डायग्राम्स फिर से रिवाइज करा दूंगी, नो इश्यूज। IgM is your heavy chain is mu type. Which is a heavy chain now?
New type.
New type.
It is easy to remember. M बता रहा है, M से mu, ऐसे याद कर सकते हो, M से mu type. This is the largest immunoglobulin. Please remember, this is the largest immunoglobulin.
Largest.
Now, 5 Y-shaped units. पहले वाला dimer था ना? How many units are combined?
2.
2.
How many combined here? We cannot draw this, and there is no need to draw also as such. How many units will be combined with the?
5.
5.
5.
That is why we say this is the largest immunoglobulin. Okay. The first one was very small. It was a single unit, so it could cross the bloodstream or plasma. This is large. It cannot cross bloodstream or placenta. Why cannot it cross the bloodstream or placenta?
Ma'am, because it is large. Large, ma'am.
Remember, this is the first antibody produced for any foreign invasion, and this is the most efficient type of antibody. Most efficient and largest. What are the two characteristic features to remember about IgM? Okay.
Largest and efficient.
Largest and the most efficient. Molecular weight is 900,000. इतना ज़्यादा क्योंकि how many units are there?
5.
5 units. Okay. So heavy chain was which types?
New type.
First type of antibody कौन सी करी थी?
IgG.
IgG. Heavy chain कौन सी थी?
Gamma.
Second type of antibody we did was?
IgA.
Very good. The type of heavy chain was?
Alpha type.
Alpha.
बेटा easy है. A for alpha, A for IgA. Similarly IgM, mu. ऐसे याद रखोगे आपको easily learn हो जाएगा. पहला वाला क्या था? IgG. G is what? Gamma ना?
Gamma.
So IgG मतलब which heavy chain?
Gamma.
IgA means which heavy chain?
Alpha.
Yes, A से पता चलता है, बस वही थर्ड लेटर देखते जाओ, उससे पता चल जाएगा. IgM means which heavy chain?
Mu.
Yes, you don't have to learn the heavy chains, लेकिन वो कई बार कंफ्यूजन में बच्चे गलत लिख देते हैं. आप बस लास्ट लेटर देखा करो. IgA है तो अल्फा, B if we talk about the next one, G है तो गामा, M है तो म्यू. We come to the
मैम ई
fourth
है
one.
एप्सिलॉन.
Yes, IgE गेस करो क्या होगा?
एप्सिलॉन.
Epsilon.
Epsilon type. This is again a monomer. This is again a monomer. It's present in very minute quantities in the bloodstream. Very little amount. बहुत ही कम. This is mainly raised in people who have allergies. This antibody is generally crops up or is raised in which kind of people? जिनको कौन सी problem होती है?
Allergies.
एलर्जी मैम.
Which kind of antibody helps people to fight against allergies?
IgE.
IgE.
इसको भी याद करने का एक सिंपल तरीका, हम लिखते एलर्जी है लेकिन हम बोलते हिंदुस्तानी में एलर्जी, ई से बोलते हैं एलर्जी. Normally it's allergies. We have to write it from A, but when we pronounce, generally we pronounce it as allergy. So E for allergy. So which kind of an antibody is responsible for allergic reactions, antibiotic reactions? It is IgE.
मैं एप्सिलॉन टाइप.
This is very important, beta. This binds to the mast cells and causes the release of histamines from the mast cell. How does it help a person in preventing allergies or in fighting against immunities? This binds with which cells? The mast cells. Do you have any idea about mast cells?
मैम सब पढ़ा था.
Beta, mast cells, they are basically special cells of connective tissue which are known as migrant cells. ठीक है, M for mast, M for migrants. They are cells of connective tissue only. इनमें क्या होते हैं, बहुत सारे granules होते हैं जिनमें दो चीजें होती हैं, histamine and heparin. Basically, these cells are very special. They are found in the connective tissue. पहले तो ये याद रखो. Mast cells are found in which kind of tissues? Connective tissue. इनको mastocytes, we also call them as mastocytes, labrocytes, सब इन्हीं के नाम होते हैं mast cells के. They contain two very important things. One is histamine and the second is heparin. What are they containing?
Yes, ma'am. Histamine and heparin.
Histamine and heparin.
Basically, ये immune system में हमें help करते हैं. They directly respond to pathogens. इनको messenger cells क्यों कहते हैं? They send signals to the other tissues ताकि वो अपना immune response system भी set करें. जैसे ये realize करते हैं that there is some problem in the body, they start sending signals to other tissues so that the other tissues can also modulate themselves for the immunity. They have a very important role when it comes to defense against pathogens. Clear, everybody? They are known as messenger cells or mast cells. How do they show this? They start releasing histamines. Okay. What are the two things I told you which are present in the mast cells?
Histamine and heparin.
Histamine and heparin.
Okay. Where will you find the mast cells?
Connective tissue.
Yes.
Connective tissues.
Histamine, if I talk about histamine, it's just a simple nitrogen compound which basically helps in immune system. Okay. This is ये inflammatory response के लिए responsible होता है.
मैम ये neurotransmitter भी होता है.
ये बेटा mediator, हाँ, it's a transmitter only. It gives messages. It is a mediator of itching. Itching होती है कई बार at some places.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is actually, yes, that is an inflammatory response of the body because of which compound? Histamine. The body is trying to fight against a particular pathogen. So basically, this is an inflammatory response only. Molecular weight is 190,000. It binds to which cells? IgE binds to mast cells. Basically, याद रखो कि दूसरी cells को भी warn कर देता है. Messenger, it gives a message. How? By inflammation, itching. आसपास के cells को भी message जाता है. There is a pathogen nearby. And the last is IgD. D will obviously stand for delta, isn't it? Very simple. Molecular weight is 180,000. It's a monomer. What is it? Monomer. Okay, it is found in very low concentration in the body. There is no significant role as of now discovered for IgD. अभी सिर्फ guesses चल रहे हैं, भी बहुत कोई evidence हमारे पास है नहीं है इसका कि what is its main role, but हम मान के चलते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत हमें ये पता है that it is present on the surface of the B cells. B cells and T cells पढ़े थे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
B cells and it acts as receptors. These ones, they'll act as what? They'll act as receptors for antigens. So just remember last thing, very low concentration, no significant role, and they're present on the surface of B cells. It is believed that they act as B cell receptors for antigens. They basically act as receptors for antigens. I'm giving you 1 minute each. I'll keep scrolling. आपको सबसे पहले याद करना है IgA. Your time, नाम तो सबको याद हो ही गए होंगे गेम वाली टेक्निक से.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very quickly, I'll give you 1 minute revise. IgA, your class will get over at 8:40. Are class is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo,
ma'am.
bye
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Bye. Your class is over. We'll revise tomorrow. Bye.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
God bless.
Thank you.